Alright guys, so here's the blade demo video. Fits a 1-inch blade, really nice, plenty of blade depth. I think it might be 1.5, maybe 2 inches, could be wrong, but it definitely sits in there real nice. Just using my shorty blade because my workshop ceilings look pretty low. And yeah, so here it is. Like I said, everything fits really nice, super solid. Like I mentioned before, there's just the slightest little bit of movement of the chassis. Not like it's gonna spin around and unaligned from the switches because there's that groove. But once you put a blade in and you tighten it down, it's super duper solid. Even without the blade, it's still super solid, like that. So yeah, here it is right here. Like I said earlier, hidden blade retention screw right there. Fits a 1.1 inch NeoPixel blade. I think I have it set up for 107 for when I was testing out a 30-inch blade, but CFX has on the fly blade length adjustment, so you can always adjust it to whatever blade you have. So wake it up sleep mode.
Does my ambition truly surprise you?
Full charge on the battery. This phone's not doing this hilt any justice on the volume. Once you hear it in person, it sounds really good. And I mean really good. I got a couple Saberbay hilts and a Saberbay hilt reinstalled by Jeremy at Solo Sabers with the Smuggler's Outpost 28mm speaker fully enclosed, and this sounds super good. Of course, you can always adjust the volume. When I go to the fonts that'll come with the Saber.
Saberbay selection.
Prince of Saberbay.
Going some.
Just
Ahsoka and whom
at last we will have blue, cyan, yellow, red.
These Battle 1, 2, and 3 by Carbophonic. They're free fonts, so I thought I'd just load it on here in case you don't have any sound fonts, or maybe this is your first Saber and you have something out of the box to play with besides the stock fonts. They're okay, but they're, they're definitely old.
Spectrum.
So you switch it to whatever color you want. I have it so you twist it.
Saberbay selection.
So there's another Battle 2, Battle 3,
Sabina red.
and then just another fire through on here just to test out.
That's too bad.
Sounds really good. Like I said, it'll just be coming with the stock font package and Battle 1, 2, and 3. And then you can just load up your own sound fonts. As we all know, CFX super easy. Just click and drag the CFX font folder over, rename it, 26 dash whatever the font is, and just keep going. That's why I really like CFX. Love Profi too. That was my first soundboard and learned how to code, but I really fallen in love with CFX after getting my Saberbay hilt about 1.5 years ago. Of course, we got gestures. Or the button. Oops, sorry. Trying to get some flashes. the sound font. Let's do one more. Just one more.
Sound bank selection.
Hilt sounds really good. Really good.
Audio player.
SD card US system menu. Exit menu.
Nightfall.
Crystal.
Nebula.
It's all the stock fonts.
Youngling.
This is General Connect.
Ancient.
That lightsaber was Luke's.
The saber. Take it.
Casis, Force Awakens graphics font. One of my favorite graphics fonts out there. Force Flash.
Okay, big deal. Thanks.
And let's do just one last one.
Sound bank selection.
That lightsaber.
Lord Vader.
Really like playing with this hilt. Been testing it out the last couple days to make sure everything's working good and have no issues at all. Like I said, super nice, clean install, solid, very solid hilt, very comfy right here. The hold and swing, nice little clicky buttons. But yeah, that's the Kelleran Beq. Second to his best. CFX NeoPixel install, 2 buttons, 28mm speaker, and 1-inch blade diameter. So thank you for anyone who checks this out, and whoever purchases. It's definitely a really nice hilt. So nice that actually I got another one on the way for myself. But yeah, man. So like I said, whoever purchases, if it's purchased before say like 4:30 p.m. I live in Wisconsin, so whatever time zone that is, I'll drive right to the post office, get this sent out, and get a tracking label sent. So yeah, thanks guys.